Okay, for problem 2-58, it says for each expression below, build each using the expression with the integer tiles. You're going to sketch them and find the value of the expression and write the solution as an equation. There's two ways that we can do this. We can use this E tool right here, or we can also use the integer tiles. Because you're at home, I'm going to choose to use the E tool instead so that you are able to use that because you don't obviously have the integer tiles here at home. So they give you an example right here. So we have the opposite of 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 2, there's my two positives right there. And then once I have that drawn, I can make my 0 pairs because a positive 1 and a negative 1 is 0. And then whatever is left is going to be my value, my expression. Told me to write an equation. Remember, an equal sign is an equation. Equal sign. So for that right there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles, and they're all negative, which is why my answer is that. So we're going to start with this guy right here. Again, I'm going to open up this student e-tool. Let's hide that guy because he's obnoxious. And where I'm going to find that is right down here. I was worried about whether or not all this stuff that I don't even know how to use is part of it. But you do have Alpha through Hotel on your page. Alpha through Charlie is on the first page. And then after your resource page for Widow Row, you have Delta through Hotel. I'm going to warn you right now that this problem is something that you're going to see on a test. So it's really important that you record your thinking so that you can earn as much credit as you can. So on this guy, I'm going to start right here with, ooh, that's interesting. I'm going to start right there with alpha. And so I'm going to build it using the integer tile. So I'm going to come right over here with my positive. Excuse me, I don't want my positive tile. I would like this tile. I have 8 negatives, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And ideally they should be in a line, but sometimes it makes it a little different when we're using these tiles. And then I'm going to add 2. It's a positive 2, so I have 1 and 2. Now I'm going to stop and I'm going to draw it on my paper. So I'm going to come back over here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then oh, fiddlesticks. Come on now. There we go. And then I'm going to add 2. I'm going to make 0 pairs. And whatever I'm left with will be my value. So in this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're negative. So that is equal to -6. I want you to try to do Bravo, please. Stop the video and do that now.